An emotional day in court at Bill Cosby's sex assault trial as his accuser, Andrea Constant, takes the stand. It was also a difficult day for those who came to support the alleged victim. Legal editor Julie Grant was inside the courtroom and brings us the very latest.
Susan, good evening. Day number 2 of Bill Cosby's criminal trial brought out lots of emotions, not just for the alleged victim in this case, but also for many of Cosby's accusers who are not part of this case, but wouldn't miss this trial. The alleged victim fought back tears as she recounted the night she says Bill Cosby invited her to his home to talk about her career and gave her wine and 3 blue pills he said were herbal. She says she told him she was seeing double and he moved her to the couch. She says that's when Cosby sexually assaulted her. Lily Bernard, who acted on The Cosby Show and is also an accuser, says listening to her story brings back frightening memories.
As my limbs were becoming paralyzed, as my arms and my legs were losing function, my fear was my heart also going to lose function? Was my heart going to stop beating?
Bernard says she was drugged and sexually assaulted by Cosby back in the 90s, almost exactly the same way.
He enslaved us with incapacitating drugs which were shackles. They shackled us. We could not flee. We could not fight effectively. We could not run. We could not escape.
According to Bernard, legally she has no recourse in criminal or civil court because of the time frame, but she never stops thinking about it.
The deep betrayal is something that's so really difficult to deal with. So it's not just the invasion of the body.
She says she speaks publicly so that Cosby will never harm anyone else.
I had to contend with the fear of perhaps he gave me an STD. Perhaps I would be impregnated by the child of a famous celebrity, and what would I tell the world?
Susan, tomorrow morning, the alleged victim will continue testifying. The prosecution called her in the middle of the day today. When the jury was out of the room, the defense said they had no idea she was going to be called today. The judge said he didn't know either, and perhaps that was their strategy. We'll be in the courtroom tomorrow morning and bring you updates throughout the day. Reporting outside of the Montgomery County Courthouse, I'm Julie Grant, KDKA-TV News.